Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Cypress and write a basic test. So I'm going to explain all the basic stuff in Cypress and how to install. So let's start the video without any delay. As a prerequisite, before installing Cypress, we need to install few tools like VS Code. So go to this first link and you can download which package is appropriate for you. If you have Windows here, Linux and Apple here. Next we need to install Node.js. Node.js download. So here also go to the first link and download appropriate package you want. So I have a Node and VS Code in my local system, so I didn't install. So next we need to go for cypress.io. If we go here, go to first link and go to the documentation. So after going to documentation, first we have to install. For that, if you go to get started and installing Cypress, we can go here. Here you will see the command. Before here they have given the instruction, so make sure you already run npm init to have node modules folder or package.json file in the root folder to ensure Cypress is installed in correct directory. So we have to initially give npm init to create a npm to create a package.json for this and all. So I'm going to copy 1 minute. Here, where is the npm commands to install? So here we have the npm commands to install. Copy, and I'm going to open this folder, and here I'm going to create a new folder called, so I'm going to rename into Cypress and get into the Cypress, open command prompt. In this command prompt, I'm going to open the VS Code. So here you can see I have opened the VS Code. So open the terminal, and first we have to create a npm init to create a package.json. So let's create a npm init. It will trigger the package.json. Package name Cypress and version 1, and I'm going to give Cypress tutorial as a description and a entry point, test commands, git repository, keywords. I'm not giving anything here. So now it is created the package.json successfully. Next, we have to install the Cypress. So we have to use this npm install Cypress command. So let's wait for a few seconds. It will install the Cypress modules. So now the node modules and all installed here. Next, if we go to the opening, the second one, to open or trigger the Cypress, we have certain command npx cypress open. So you can copy the code from here and paste the command here to open the Cypress. So it will open the front end like this. So it is asking like we are going to do front end to end or component testing. We are going to give end to end testing. So after clicking this, it, it will create a configuration file. So you can see the configuration now here. Previously we didn't have this Cypress configuration.js. Now we have, right? So after selecting end to end testing, we have these 4 files here. So click continue. So it is first time, like, so it will give some examples. So it is asking for selecting the browser. I'm giving Chrome, and it is opening the browser and all the specs file. So here, so this first option is used to provide some example for the new users, and this second example is used to create a new spec file. Spec file is nothing but the file which we run the test. So each file will be called as a spec file. So I'm clicking this first one to get some example. So these are the examples they will provide. Now we can get it. So here you can see all these examples are here. If we go to VS Code and open Cypress end-to-end testing, you can see 2 folders: getting started, advanced, examples. Getting started, advanced, examples. So here you can, first of all, I'm going to show with example with this example how we have to write the document. And first I'm going to trigger the test for that. So I have triggered the actions test. Let's see. So you can see here all the test has run and it successfully executed. So the advantage is if you click this particular test, you can see. So for example, if you are going to click this one, it will show the particular test result here. So you can time travel. It will show the screenshot here. If I am going to close here and going here and I am going to click here, so it is changing, right? The screenshot will be changed and it will show the particular execution on the particular time of this execution which you are clicking. So you can see every test one by one visually. So you don't need to guess what is the problem, this and all. And here you can inspect also with this inspect tool. You can do inspect, and here you can change the browser's testing, so it will change. So here it is opening in this browser Edge. So the test will be run again from beginning. So here all the test has been executed, and in Chrome and Edge it is not giving difference, so it gives the consistent results also. Next I'm going to explain about the code. Getting started to do. First of all, I'm going to close the terminal. First, we have to provide this command line. So this will import the Cypress to this particular folder, and we are going, while we are creating a file, we have to give extension like cypress.js. We should not give only JS. CY represent Cypress or file name .cy.js. Next, we have to import this Cypress in this way. Under this describes and this describe indicate that one test. So if you are going to test particular section, you have to mention here, and within this particular section you will test multiple objects, right? So like testing a form, testing the image, testing some other functionality. So you can give those functionality and the form in separate it. So we call this framework as a Mocha framework. Cypress use Mocha framework to make a testing easy for the QA tester and developer. So within one describe you can give multiple it. So you can run multiple conditions in your describe. So this cy.get is used to get the particular element from DOM, and here we are giving condition. So these and all we will be explained in the later part of this Cypress tutorial. For now you have gone through the basics of the Cypress. So how we have to create a file, what we have to import, and what is the structure. Describe, and inside describe we should provide it. These are In next video, we are going to explain about the project structure of the Cypress. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.